Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Outlook 2016 is running and you have a local folder for the archive. PSD file. Once done, decide whether to run a manual archive now or set auto archive schedules. Both use the same dialog. Make sure you close large attachments or sync processes so nothing blocks file writes. Then navigate to File Info Tools Cleanup Tools and choose Archive to open the Archive dialog and begin selecting what to move. Now select the specific mailbox folder you want archived. You can choose the entire mailbox route to include subfolders if needed. Next, set the archive items older than date to control which messages move. Older than 6 months is common. Point to or create the PSD archive file on your local drive and confirm whether to include items marked Do Not Auto Archive, included only if you explicitly want them moved. Finally, click OK to begin the archive process and monitor progress. When the archive completes, check the Outlook status bar and then open the PSD via File Open and Export Open Outlook data file to verify messages moved correctly. Make sure folder sizes decreased and searches reflect the new locations. Use search folders to confirm. If you encounter errors or the archive doesn't appear, stop and check disk space and file permissions. A key troubleshooting tip: run the inbox repair tool, Scamst exe on the PSD to repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.